class 9. In this video, I am explaining you about cell membrane, cell wall and cytoplasm in details. Previously, as I told you, cell membrane is the outermost covering of animal cell and it is also present in plant cell. But in plant cell, there is an additional wall which is known as cell wall outside the cell membrane. It means cell membrane is present in both plant and animal cell and cell wall is present only in plant cell. Differences between cell membrane and cell wall are commonly asked. Sometimes structural differences are asked and the other time functional differences are asked. So what is cell membrane? Cell membrane is very thin membrane and it is called selectively permeable membrane. Why it is called selectively permeable membrane? Because it allows entry and exit of various substances through it. But why it is called selectively permeable membrane? It is called selectively permeable membrane because it allows entry and exit of some substances while it will be preventing also some substances to enter in or move out of a cell. That means it does not allow all types of substances to move in or move out. So it is called selectively permeable membrane. And for this it has fine pores in it through which the substances will move in or out. Another thing, what is it made up of? That is structural point. That means cell membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. And that is why it is made up of lipoproteins. Third point is, as I have already told you, that it is called selectively permeable membrane. Second membrane is cell wall. Cell wall only present in plant cell. This cell wall is composed of cellulose. This cellulose is non-living. So cell wall is present only in plant cell, composed of cellulose, a non-living substance. The function of cell wall is that it provides shape and rigidity to a cell. The word rigidity means toughness. It provides a toughness, that means it is not flexible. So cell wall is a tough, it provides rigidity, it is rigid and provides rigidity to the cell. Cell membrane is selectively permeable and cell wall is freely permeable. That means it will allow all types of substances to enter in or to move out. So these are some structural and functional differences between cell membrane and cell wall. Functions of both and structure of both. Third term is cytoplasm. This I have already told you. The jelly-like substance, semi-liquid substance, transparent substance present inside the cell, present in both plant and animal cell is called a cytoplasm. In this cytoplasm, many small structures, these are known as organelles. What are organelles? Define organelles. Another question. So organelles are very small structures which have definite shape, definite structure and definite function. Where are they present? They are present in the cytoplasm, are called organelles. These organelles, although they are very, very small in size, but they have a particular function for a cell. That means they will carry out a special type of function for a cell. So they are very important part of a cell. Now I am telling you only 3 organelles, but there are 7 organelles present in a cell. The rest of the organelles I will be explaining in next video. First organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum and shortly it is called ER. Now what are these endoplasmic reticulum? They are very small, can be only observed under an electron microscope. They cannot be seen with naked eyes. So they can be only observed under electron microscope. Now what is the structure of these endoplasmic reticulum? They are double-walled structure. One end of these endoplasmic reticulum will be attached to the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane means the membrane, the covering of nucleus. And the other side, they are attached to cell membrane. In previous video, I had told you the structure of cell. So there is a cell membrane and there is membrane of nucleus. So this is scattered from nuclear membrane till cell membrane. Then these endoplasmic reticulum are of two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. As you can see in the figure, smooth does not have these small granules. What are these granules? If this endoplasmic reticulum has small granules which are known as ribosomes, they are called ribosomes. So if endoplasmic reticulum has some granules or ribosomes on their surface, then such endoplasmic reticulum is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. And if endoplasmic reticulum, they do not have any ribosomes, they are called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So they are of two types based on the presence of ribosomes or absence of ribosomes. Now these endoplasmic reticulum, they are also known as the supportive or supporting framework of the cell, because they provide support to a cell and also help in transfer or distribution of materials from one part to other part in the cell. Second organelle is ribosomes. Ribosomes, as I just told you, that these are small granules, and where are they present? They are either present scattered throughout the cytoplasm, or they are present on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum. In both the ways, means if they are present scattered in the cytoplasm or attached on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, their function is same. That means they will make protein for a cell, and that is why they are called protein factories. Protein factory of a cell. See, endoplasmic reticulum are called supportive or supporting framework of a cell. They are called protein factories of a cell. And third organelle is mitochondria. This is the structure of mitochondria. They are scattered in the cytoplasm and they are present in both plant and animal cell. Each mitochondria has double wall. The inner wall will be forming finger-like projections. These finger-like projections are called cristae. And then inner side, here inside it, there is matrix. This is the structure of mitochondria. What is the function of mitochondria? If you see here, I have written the function of mitochondria is to carry out the process of respiration. Now, what is respiration? Respiration is a process in which food is oxidized and it releases energy. When energy will be released in mitochondria during respiration, then this energy is utilized by the cell for various activities, and then some of the energy is also stored in the form of ATP molecules. Very important, children. ATP is also known as adenosine triphosphate. Full form you should know. Adenosine triphosphate. So this is adenosine triphosphate, also known as currency of a cell. Why currency of a cell? Because the energy which is released during respiration inside mitochondria is stored in the form of ATP molecules. And because of this reason, because energy is stored in ATP molecule in mitochondria, mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of a cell. So mitochondria is very important organelle of a cell. In my next video, I will be explaining you about other organelles.